Hey guys, this is Mr. Bin signing in and you're watching Tech World. So first of all, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to hack football game of Messenger. So hacking either basketball or football is almost same. It is actually same, so watch till end guys. So before entering into this video, this is my Instagram account, so I have provided link of my Instagram below in description, so go check it out guys and give me a follow. There you can suggest me what videos to make on, you can suggest me topics, and I would be grateful to make videos on that topic provided by you. So go check it out guys. So guys, in order to hack this type of games, you will need two apps, Game Guardian and Parallel Space. So the official link of Game Guardian I have provided in description box, so go check it out guys and download it from there. But pay attention here, because when you click download Game Guardian APK file, it will show two links. So you must download the first one, because actually the second one is plugin, so you must download the first one. So guys, if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, click that subscribe button, smash it out guys, punch it, kick it, but make sure it should be clicked, and click that bell icon guys, and like this video. So now it is installed. So Game Guardian actually uninstalls its original app and reinstall from random name. It is just to avoid identification by the system apps, because system apps however take it as a threat, so it actually reinstall itself with a random name. So guys, I would insist you to watch this video till the end, because I have explained each and every reasons why your messenger stops, why pop-up of Game Guardian is not shown, and why your ball is not freeze in air while you hack. So I have explained each and everything about it. That's why this video is a bit long, but I have explained each and everything, and I will make sure guys you will understand everything I meant you to understand. So now Game Guardian will ask work mode, so you must select no root mode, because your phone is not rooted and so is mine. So here you will see work mode, root, non-root, and I am selecting no root mode. So now you need Parallel Space. So as I said, you will get the link of Parallel Space within the link of Game Guardian, because it will redirect you towards the next page of downloading this virtual space app. So there you can see download APK, so go and download Parallel Space. There it goes. So click download this file, and there are three links. Yes, so what you have to do is download the last one. I repeat, download the last one of Parallel Space. In Game Guardian, in case of Game Guardian, you must download the first link, and in the case of Parallel Space, you must click the last link. So Parallel Space has been installed, so let's install it. So let's open Parallel Space now. Just allow all the terms and conditions it asks you for. So click start. So now what you have to do is tick Messenger and Game Guardian just to add it on Parallel Space. click Messenger and Game Guardian. and click add to parallel space. Okay, now what you have to do is just open game guardian from parallel space that you have recently clicked, that you have recently added to parallel space. So let's go. Now the actual things begin. So now what you have to do is allow permission to the permit drawings over other apps. This is the reason why your pop-up is not shown and why your pop-up will be shown after you allow the permission. So this is the pop-up that actually appears when you allow permission to permit drawing over other apps. So now you have to open messenger from parallel space and you have to log in first. So I have already logged in, and now you have to go to the place where you actually play games of messenger. So I'm directly loading football game in messenger. I'm skipping this part. Okay, so now let's check how much I can score without hacking. So 4 5 6, let's go guys. Oh, I crossed 15. Oh, I'm pro. I don't need hacking guys. Oh, it's 22. So now click that floating icon of game guardian, and there you will see list of apps. So you must select the first one, messenger, and so you can see the source button there. Okay, let me show you. Yeah, there. So you must type the score there in place of value, and in place of type you must select the term D word. And so I just scored 2, and when I click that pop-up, the ball is not paused, the game is not paused. So just below the messenger there you will see pause icon. So you must select that, and just above messenger you will see game guardian icon. So it means it is logged now. So now you can pause the game whenever you when you click the game guardian. So let me show you. Okay, 1 2. So I just click the game guardian icon and the ball is stuck in A. So this is how it works. So select D word and click new source guys, because this is the first time we are searching our score. So it says not found. So repeat the process guys. Now it's 4, so replace the value 2 by 4, and you should click refine. I clicked new source, so don't click new source, you must click refine. So let me repeat this procedure again. 2 3. Make sure ball is in air guys. So patience is key to success guys, keep patience. Okay, so now it's 3 and I'm clicking refine. So there is the list of resultants. So whenever these resultants are less, then the hacking is possible. However, you can replace the value. It actually replaces the value, but the score will not appear in your screen. So make sure the resultants should be less than either 9 or 10. So make sure the resultants will be less. So in this case, see, my messenger has stopped. So now what I have to do is start all over this again. Open game guardian, actually open parallel space and open game guardian again. So if I start the same procedure from here where my messenger stopped, the hacking will not be possible because it is already crashed. Messenger is already crashed. So now the ball will not freeze in my screen. The hacking will not be possible guys. So let me show you. See, the ball was in air, but when I clicked, so there you see the messenger icon has been logged. So there you see guys, it's 5 6. See, the messenger icon is logged there, you can see, but the ball is not stuck. So this is the reason guys, when your messenger is crashed, then you cannot hack. So what you have to do is start all over again. So I have received many comments earlier that I clicked that pause icon, but my ball is not getting stuck in air. So guys, this is the reason why your ball does not get stuck, because messenger had been stopped earlier. It had been crashed, actually it has been crashed. So what you have to do is start this process all over again. So guys, whenever your messenger is crashed, you don't have to worry about it, because crashing of messenger is actually common in this case of hacking. So whenever your messenger is crashed, what you do is exit each and every app that you are using, close each and every app including parallel space, including game guardian, and start all over again. So you must exit the parallel space icon as well. You have to close this floating icon of parallel, I mean game floating icon of game guardian also, because even you exit parallel space and the floating icon of game guardian is still there, the hacking will not be possible guys. So you have to close this game guardian icon also. So it's actually not that hard. Whenever you drag your game guardian, it will not show cross icon below your screen. So how you can exit it, it's very simple guys. Just click that game guardian icon and there you will see exit. So first of all, let me show you. I have closed parallel space, but I haven't closed this floating icon of game guardian. So let's check if we can hack this game or not. So I have only closed parallel space, not the game guardian. So let's try if hacking is possible or not. So guys, let's check if closing parallel space only will work or not. So guys, here I clicked pop-up whenever the ball was in air, but the ball didn't get paused. So this is the reason guys, whenever you close parallel space, it's not enough guys, you must close game guardian, that pop-up also. You must close this pop-up of GZ also. So it's very simple. What you have to do is just click that the sign of equalizer just at the right of messenger icon. So let me show you guys. So guys, that's the icon. From there you can exit this pop-up. So I have already done that. I actually skipped this part to make the video as short as possible. So now let me start this again. So 10, so it's 11 now. So now it's working, the ball is paused. So now the resultants are very less. So now hacking will be possible. Now I'm replacing the modified value here and I'm clicking add to value. So this will add values. So normal is normal, you don't have to change. So let's click freeze this time guys. Freeze just below add to values, freeze, then yes, click yes. So it's already changed. Now cross and boom guys, it actually works. So whenever your hacking will not work, so what you have to do is click freeze instead of add to values, and then it will work for sure guys. So guys, I think I explained each and everything, why your messenger stops, why pop-up is not shown, and why your ball is not paused even when you click that pause icon just below the messenger. So guys, I really worked hard for this, so please give us a thumbs up button, like this video guys, and if you are new to my channel, then go subscribe it guys. Subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to get my daily updates, and share this video as much as you can guys. Subscribe this channel from your account guys. I hope you have 2-3 accounts, so go guys, subscribe from your account, your brother's account, your girlfriend's account, your ex account, your mom's account, your dad's account. Just subscribe this channel guys. So this was all about today. Stay tuned guys, keep supporting.